Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at is Nvidia stock going to go to a new all-time highs? We'll take a look at through the lens of technicals and all that great stuff post earnings that Nvidia has been remaining strong for us regardless of all the negativity in the media from some of the analysts. But anyways, it doesn't matter. We trade with the technicals and if you have been a member and you are a member, you already know we started this play for us around this zone of 104 and to the max we got already by now around 37% profits. Check out the details in the description if you are interested. There is also a potential play building up on SMCI, and I covered all those details with the members just right before this video. And there are many other stocks that I talk with the members. We have been making 40% plus profits, even 90% plus profit on one or many of the stocks, guys. Many stocks, I talk with the members. Check out the details in the description if you are interested in that. And also if you need access to my tools, details are all in the description of this video. For example, very high level, if I show you my, well, automatic levels are already marked by my tools for you, helps you in identifying where every support or resistance levels are, and pair that together with the technical analysis and the type of the trading as how we do, and my other tools combine that together helps you in all of that. For example, you can see Nvidia structure was negative down there, you don't want to be buying there, and this is where we turned bullish, and it makes it so easy to understand. This is where some pullback came, but this was just a pullback, so you gotta take some profits here and reload, and we have been just bullish. So as you can see, these tools helps you in making decisions not just on one interval but on multiple intervals based on your strategy. You can use them as how you like. They will make it very easy for you to understand where to buy, where to short, where to have a stop loss, where to take profits, all that good stuff, and you can use it on any of your favorite stock. Anyways, if you are interested in all of that, check out the details in the description of this video. There are Patreon links and all that details you will find on my Patreon. All right, Nvidia. Well, all new all-time highs. Is that what we are going for? Well, as I just showed you, technically we are in the bullish structure. So we are all looking just fine. Now, some of the drawings you are seeing here on my chart, in summary, these are the ones that when I talk with the members on day-to-day, NVDA is a regular coverage with the members. So some of the drawing is just from there, but just to make it simple. And I mentioned this very same thing, guys. Don't worry. Yes, we were a little bit in the weakness intraday, multi-day, and I talked about all of this with the members. But I said, well, as we are above this blue box again, we are just fine. And yesterday, we were back in the game, my friends, on the intraday, multi-day, and overall structure that I just showed you on the tools as well. That was your confirmation. Hey, it's just a pullback. Not to worry, my friends. So it gives, my tools helps you with all the clarity. And if on top of that, you also need a regular coverage on day-to-day basis as well, check out the memberships on my Patreon. Details are in the description of this video. So yeah, technically in the near term overall structure, as long as we are above $136, we are just fine on Nvidia. All right. And let's get to the hourly interval. And on the hourly interval, as you can see, we had a really good technical comeback in the right at that zone. And you can see this is the zone where we then in the pullback also found a support. That's why these zones are so important that I give to the members. There is definitely a significant level already marked by my tools for you. So that also pretty much is an indication that once we have regained a technical structure, that's just a pullback zone, and pullbacks got bought back up. You got to buy in the pullbacks to make more profits and to minimize your stop loss, right? Now, at this point, intraday also, we are just fine technically on Nvidia. Any pullback until 139 and 62 cents is just going to remain fine. It's not going to be a problem. Pullbacks are the nature of stock trading. Pullbacks are the opportunities to buy or reload, and these levels helps in understanding where are those areas to watch. and for the price actions to stabilize and to reload, it's important to see the stabilization. Now, definitely the next area above is 144 on Nvidia. We need to take this out because this is a near-term recent resistance, a zone. It's a zone because there are two significant levels packed together. So 144 to 143. And so now after that though, after 144, what are the targets? Because we still have to take some areas out. But technically, yes, we are in the direction of new all-time highs on Nvidia right now. I'm not seeing what can stop it unless I see a technical break in the structure. Otherwise, no. And after that, guys, technically only our once we take out 144, I don't see anything stopping us until 150 to 152, which is the all-time recent all-time highs. And well, not just recent all-time highs, that's the all-time highs. And breaking out above that is gonna put us in the new all-time highs. When a structure is coming in so strong after all the negativity and everything, we most likely will see a breakout in the structure. Anyways, we are already in the play. We already took 37% gains in our moves, and it's still a hold play, it's still a reload play, and we did that. As if you're a member, you know all these updates. And as I said, it's just not Nvidia. A lot more other stocks I talk with the members. Details are in the description of this video. If you are interested in all of that, together with access to my tools, that helps you in making day trading decisions, swing trading decisions, everything. Alright guys, that's all I had for you in this video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Take care, bye.